I spent over 300k importing these goods from China. Hi guys, my name is Temini and I'm a China importation coach. I import from China for personal use and for my business. So let me show you guys what I got. So at the beginning of this year, I noticed that rate was going down. The rate was really high in December, like 240, but it went all the way down to 206. So I was like, oh man, I need to seize this opportunity and buy some things. So I got this mini printer for my business. The headset was mine. I sell that headset, but the one I'm using presently is broken, so I decided to buy one for myself. The headset is not in stock, but if you want that one, I can sell it to you sharp. Then I got some clothes. I decided to try this adult diaper from China. They call it like diapers for your period. So I got one. I want to see how it works, but it turns out that it's not my size, so I'm going to give my sister. Then I got some bags. I'm trying to change the bags I use for my business. I'm trying to, because I'm a content creator and I always like to carry bags that can contain all my tripods and everything. So I decided to get some bags and some clothes. I don't know why I ended up carrying black everything. Like everything I got was in black literally, and I got like 2 pink tops and the rest was black. I mistakenly got this jot in size small and it's paining me because the jot is so beautiful. So if you want it, send me a DM. I'm selling it for 10,000 naira. It is a size small. So one question I always get from people that are trying to learn how to import from China from me is that, is China importation still profitable because of the way dollar has gone up right now? And I'll say yes, it's profitable, but now you have to learn patience. So by the time I shipped this item, the rate went down, so I decided to use air shipping, and I paid 86,000 for the normal goods because I separated them, and for the special goods, which is the printer and the headset, I paid over 33k for that. So that is like over 100 and something k for the shipping fee of this. If I had used sea shipping and waited 2 months, it would have been like maybe 50 something k, depending on the shipping company. Some shipping companies don't collect small packages. They will collect your small package, but they will charge you for 0.5 or 0.2 or 0.1 cbm. So you have to ask those questions before you send your goods to them. So that is why it's important to have an importation coach that can teach you very well, that you can ask questions and they will answer you and guide you on how to import from China. And that is why I'm the perfect coach for you. With just 5,000 naira, you can send me a message. Once you join the group, you are entitled to messages, texting me, asking me questions. In case you don't understand, you can always text me and ask questions. Then we can help you to get your goods down to Nigeria. So if you have plenty money, you can go for air shipping, but I would advise you not to go for air shipping. Go for sea shipping unless you can afford it. Like when I saw the shipping fee of these normal goods and I saw 86,000, I was like, God, why didn't I just send this thing as sea shipping? But I just had to pay because I needed these items, and they are even personal items, not even for business, and I'm paying so much for shipping fee. So you get, China importation is very lucrative. You can learn how to import phones, you can learn how to import clothes, you can learn how to import gadgets, computers, anything, home appliances, decor items. My favorite is fashion items like bags and shoes and clothes. Those ones is very easy for you to even find them on the app. And then phone accessories, beautiful. So if you like to join our China importation class, just send me a DM on WhatsApp. The class is just 5,000 naira. And for gadget class, where you can import phones and laptops and different type of devices, that one is 10,000 naira. Send me a DM on WhatsApp and let's get this business done. So if you want the jot, please send me a DM. It's just 10,000 naira. Bye.